This is my new Green X WP20X water pump. Yes. So the machine is equipped with a 6.5 horsepower engine, starter, the fuel tank, have the suction, the discharge. So before we start our machine, we have to put in our engine oil. It helps in lubricating the engine parts and prevents wear of the engine. You open the oil lever. Is the oil lever or filler. After opening it, you pour the oil inside till it's full. Oh, so it is now full. So we close the oil filler. So we now put in our petrol, our gasoline. It is not advisable to pour petrol this way. You always have to find a funnel to make it easier. Okay. So after filling our petrol, we open the priming valve and we fill it with water till we see water coming from the discharge. So if you have heard of priming, it means getting your machine ready to be used. So after filling it, we cover it again. We connect our suction hose to the machine. So after connecting it, our machine is now ready to be used. We turn the ignition on. You release the fuel lever. Okay, so we put it on. Then we now start our machine. We start our machine. The machine starts working. We release the discharge.